ตอนนี้เป็นคำเตือนเรื่องฝนตกหนักในปริมาณมากซึ่งอาจจะก่อให้เกิด
Southeast Asian countries continue to suffer from the effects of Tropical Storm Melaky. After China and Vietnam, on August 12, the storm hit the northern provinces of Thailand, including Chiang Rai and Phai. A flash flood warning has been issued for communities located in low-lying or coastal areas. The border town of Mae Sai and the town of Tacholite in neighboring Myanmar suffered the most. There, due to heavy rains, the local river overflowed its banks. Many houses were flooded. Residents were looking for safe places on a hill. In some places, the water level rose by almost a meter. Local authorities and the military deployed boats and trucks to evacuate people living near the river. The banks of the river were reinforced with sandbags to prevent further spills. So far, there are no reports of casualties. The Thai Meteorological Department is forecasting occasional heavy showers in the north over the next few days.